The priest's revenge. A king had an orchard. Many monkeys used to live there. One day, the royal priest was passing through the orchard. A naughty monkey made fun of him. The priest got angry and vowed to take revenge on all the monkeys. The Monkey King got worried. He told the monkeys to leave the orchard as they were in danger. Many monkeys agreed and left, but a few stubborn ones did not leave. After many days, there was a fire in the royal stable. Many horses got injured in the fire. The king sought the royal priest's advice for a remedy. This was the priest's opportunity to take his revenge. He said to the king, "We can use monkey's fat to cure the injuries of the horses." The king gave order to kill all the monkeys living in the park and bring their fat. Thus, all those monkeys who had ignored the advice of their king died. The values of life. Once there was a rich man, but despite being rich, he always believed that happiness could be obtained by leading a good life. Money was not everything. He had a son. He wanted to teach his son the same thing. One day, his son, while playing, broke his toy. The son started crying. His father came and consoled him. Then he said to his son, "Do not cry over this broken toy. Things come and go in life, but the most important things in life are good health, truthfulness, and sincerity. Never give up these values ever in your life." The boy listened attentively to his father. He started leading a good life. When he grew up, he became very successful. He realized that his father's words were the reason behind his success. The Goose with Golden Feathers. Once, there was a goose with golden feathers. She lived in a pond. Near this pond lived a poor woman with her 2 daughters. The goose thought, "If I give them my golden feathers, they will live happily." The goose went there and told the poor woman about this. After this, the goose started shedding 1 feather every day. The mother and her daughters bought eatables and other things every day. But one day, the mother became greedy. When the goose came, the mother grabbed her and pulled out all her feathers. But the golden feathers changed into some strange feathers. The mother was shocked. The goose said, "I wanted to help you, but you became greedy. Now I will go away and never come back." The mother felt sad and apologized for her actions. The goose advised, never be greedy again, and flew away. The hare's sacrifice. Have you ever noticed the full moon? Well, we can see a mark on the moon which looks like a hare. Here is an interesting story about it. Once, a hare had 3 friends: a monkey, an otter, and a jackal. One day, the hare said to his friends, "Let us do some charity. If we give alms, we will be blessed." All the friends brought something to give for charity. The hare, being small, could find nothing. He decided to give himself away in charity. God heard this. He came disguised as a sage and asked the hare for food. The hare offered himself. He lit up a fire and jumped into it. But God saved him. He said to the hare, "You will be remembered for your sacrifice for ages to come." Saying this, God drew a hare in the moon. It is still there for all to see. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.